people out there. I am Divya Kalani from Siliguri, West Bengal. I am a multifaceted individual who wears many hats. As a dedicated housewife, I manage my family with utmost love and care. As well as, I would say, my family is my top priority. I am a mother of 2 kids, a 12-year-old son as well as a 7-year-old daughter. In my professional life, I am the owner of VK Company and Kalani Agencies, where I look after the business, strategies, managing people and everything. In my professional life, I know I am doing good and I am looking forward myself to do more good, better and best in future. Apart from my business, I am also a social worker. I am associated with the largest organization, Lions International, the NGO. I am working as a cabinet member in my district Lions Club's International District 322F. Apart from Lions Club, I am also a proud member of Toastmasters, where leaders are met, and I am working as VPPR for Toastmaster. Right now, I have also joined a famous business entrepreneur, especially for women, club which is known as Fiki Flow. I am a part of Fiki Flow, and apart from everything, of course, my family is my priority, and then comes business and the social services. Today, I feel very proud and honored because I want to talk about the unsung heroes, and the topic today is the women of today. The women who are quietly, but you may say silently, making a difference in this community, in this new Bharat. They may not be in the spotlight, they may not be recognized, they may not be awarded, but the impact they are giving towards the society is absolutely not negligible. Yes, these unsung heroes are no one else than today's women. I am talking about the housewives, the mother, the wives. Yes, I salute you all because what women are doing today is absolutely not comparison with anybody else. The women are tirelessly working 24/7 just to nurture their child, just to nurture their family. And of course, they always wear a smile on their face while doing any family work, while giving them food, while nurturing them, while giving them nutritious food. They are also making sure that the energy provided to them later on, the energy is being utilized by our community with their work. And that way, we are proceeding towards a new Bharat. Of course, education matters. And in past years, the women are well educated and everybody is giving too much priority in educating women, girl child. And these are the results of education. I, of course, will give a salute to all the education system because there are a lot of things which are coming up towards the women. And I would say the women are not only in the housewife category. Women are far more better in other categories too. If we talk about professional women, you will find a lot of women as an entrepreneurs. They are working, they are growing themselves, they are growing this India, they are giving us a new Bharat. As well as, if I say about women, you will find every sector, every community, every apartment, there are women who are running small businesses, who are doing something for themselves, who are actually also earning for themselves, for their kids. These slow business entrepreneurs, the small business entrepreneurs, are not being taught, are not being recognized, they're not being awarded. But these ladies are doing wonder job to the community. These ladies are giving so much to our society. Apart from this, the ladies are all over India, all over world. If we talk about science and technologies to art and literature, yes, women are doing marvelous. And today's women, if we talk about आज की नारी ऑलरेडी सशक्त है, आज की नारी बहुत बेहतरीन है, आज की नारी को मैं सल्यूट करना चाहूंगी. ये जो हीरोज है ना, ये जो वुमेन हीरोज which I am addressing them as a heroes. I don't know whether anybody else had addressed them like a hero, but I would love to say the women in every sector are hero, and I would personally love to salute each and every woman. Of course, there are certain jobs where there are little, you can say, biased discriminations among the women and men. But apart from this, we are fighters. And ये प्रथा चलती आ रही है from झांसी की रानी that we are fighters and we will grow together. We will lift up together. And this is the reason that women are slowly coming forward for every kind of profession, business, anything you can say. Apart from this, I would also mention that these women are volunteering so much of energy, resources, and they are making a difference. But do we think about paying them very high salary? Of course not. The housewives are not being paid. The mothers are not being paid. It's just love and care. So these women deserve a standing ovation, a love and respect from each one of you. That's what is my message. Let us all love, respect each other, each woman of the society. Let us all grow together. Let us all lift each other. Let us grow this Bharat into a new modern Bharat. And thank you so much, my dear ladies, for being the part of this community, for helping this community day and night. The essence and the contribution we all are giving to the society is, of course, will not go in vain, because the award and recognition doesn't matter. What matters is we are giving our 100, 200 and 500% to this society. Thank you so much. Let's grow together. Let's grow together. Let's grow together. Salute to all the women of India.